Hey guys, in this video you'll see how I built a custom kitchen cart. I start by measuring the legs out of 2x2 lumber. Now I'm measuring the frame out of 1x2 lumber. I usually sand before and after I have assembled the pieces. I'm drilling pocket holes so there will be no visible screws on the kitchen cart. Here I'm connecting the lumber with wood glue and screws. I'm cutting a rectangular shape out of plywood for the bottom of the cart. I'm cutting the edges with a jigsaw so the plywood can fit around the legs. I'm drilling more pocket holes, this time for the side of the cart. Now I'm placing 1x2s to divide the cart into two sections. One side will be for the cabinet door and the other side will be open. This part involves installing drawer slides. It's important to make sure that it's leveled. I'm measuring out the sides of my drawer. Gluing these pieces together was a bit tricky, but it helps to have a long enough clamp to keep them together. I used the frame of the drawer to trace out the bottom. Now I simply glue the bottom of the drawer. Before I start painting, I use wood filler to fill in the gaps and any imperfections, and I sand the whole cart down. Now it's time to paint. Click the link above to see how I built this cabinet door. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And that's how you reno for less.